My name is Keaton Ramm, and I'm a member of Black Label Racing, and I'm here representing We Are One today. And I'm going to show you how to fold the ever elusive fitted sheet. So, it can be very tempting as you get into the warmer months to put away your warm flannel sheets. And after you've washed them, you might get to the point where you have your normal sheet folded, you have your pillows folded, and then you want to just stuff this guy back into your helmet bag and put it away like that. But if you don't want to do that, there is actually a way to fold this so you can put it away nicely. So, step one. You're going to get your sheet all the way opened up and find two corners. I like to find the short side, but it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. So you're going to open her up, you're going to put your hands into two corners, just like this. It's okay if it's inside out or if it's right side out, as long as it's the same way all the way around. Okay, so hands in those two corners. You're going to take your right hand and connect it with your left hand. And then what you're going to do is you're going to fold that sheet over the top, just like that. So I'll show you one more time. You've got it folded inside out, right hand to left hand, and you're going to fold it over like that. So now you've got two corners together. Then you're going to go all the way down and pick up the third corner and put that third corner over the top of the one you just folded. The key here, and I'll give you some tips at the end, is that whether it's right side out or inside out, you want your corners to all be the same. So you got your third one folded over like that now. Move down, find your fourth corner, and same thing. So we've got both of the insides here. You can see our seams right here. So you're gonna line her up again, fold her over again. And at this point, you should have all four corners in one hand, in your left hand. Now, the bottom of this might look a little rough. I don't worry about it, because once you get to this point, then you can kind of arrange it. So you're gonna just get it all together so that everything falls nicely. So you'll find your stretchy sides, kind of shake it out. And since all of the corners are facing the same direction, it should shake out pretty nice, okay? I'll show you again in just a second. Now, this is where you'll need a bed. So you'll take it over to the bed now, lay it down on your bed, and you're gonna tidy it up just a little bit. So tidy up that corner, kind of pull down here if you haven't gotten all of the wrinkles out over here. Kind of pull those straight, pull those guys straight. And I like to fold it in thirds, so you can fold in thirds there, fold in thirds there, and then depending on how particular you are, if you want to just fold it in half, boom, you're done. Or if you want to be really particular because you don't like this edge, you can actually fold it in thirds again, and then you have nice straight edges on all sides. Ready to put your flannels away? And you're ready for your summer riding. Cheers!